Good morning. I am Adra AS First Sem teaching students. Today National Telephone Day. On April 25th, we observing National Telephone Day. Around the world, there are 9.82 million mobile phones, and while some predicted the landlines to be obsolete by 2020, there are still about 931 million landlines around the world. 1st May of 1967, the 100 millions on the telephone lines was installed in the United States. On May 11th, governors and dignitaries for U.S. territories joined President Lyndon Johnson on the largest conference call ever held up to that day. Each governor, dignitaries, and the presidents were issuing gold mobile to commemorate the day. At the same time, a proclamation was issued and declared May 12th as National Telephone Day. There is no record of the day beginning observing against on that day. However, National Day calendar continues to research the organizing of the technical day.
ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോകൾ മുടങ്ങാതെ കിട്ടാൻ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക.